Find out what IT service management software can do for you. IT service management software, often referenced as ITSM software, is a suite of tools that helps businesses manage the end-to-end delivery of IT services and processes. Common IT service management software features include incident management, which allows users to track IT-related incidents through resolution. Problem management helps businesses determine the root cause of service outages and other IT incidents and identify solutions. Change management allows users to plan, execute, and track changes to infrastructure and operations while keeping IT service disruptions to a minimum. When evaluating ITSM software, look for tools that integrate with systems you already use, such as customer relationship management software, messaging platforms, and chatbot software, so you can easily share data between tools. Before making a final decision about which IT service management software to purchase, it's important to ask software providers a few key questions. What core features does your solution offer that can help manage our IT processes and services? What features differentiate your solution from similar tools on the market? Ready to find the right IT service management software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.